When you are giving your Duolingo test on the practice test, which is on Duolingo's website, you get describe image in which you have to write it in the text form. But you get one more describe image in the real test, but for that you have to do it in the audio form, or I would say you have to speak for the image rather than writing. Okay, you, this particular thing you do not get in the practice test, but yes, you do get it in the real test, and these things will come at least 3 to 4 times. What happens that students, when they are doing practice test, they prepare themselves on this, but when they give the exam they are not aware of this part. So you need to be aware of this part. You should know what is the time limit, how do we have to do it, and this is what I'm going to teach you today. Okay, so let's understand the first the technical part, how, what is the time limit, how much we should write for both the types, and then we will discuss actually the strategy part, that what we should write, how we can plan. Okay, this is called describe image text. Why this is called describe image text? Because you are going to write your answer, you're going to type your answer in the text form. You, the question says that you have to type 2 to 3 sentences in just 1 minute. You have only 1 minute and you have to type 2 to 3 sentences. Now we need to decide that how long should be my sentence, or whether I need to write two or I need to write three. But let me just change it. The question clearly says one or more sentences. But I always advise to the students and never write a single sentence. Moving here to describe image, audio part. Audio means you are going to speak on it. Minimum requirement over here is at least 30 seconds you should speak for. That is minimum. It's not that after 30 seconds it will stop. That's a minimum requirement that you should speak for. Now, let's move on to the PDF and understand it better. This is the screen view. That's the box in which you need to type your response. You have the image, and actually uh, I didn't really like this thing that the image size is really small in the Duolingo. It's better that they should have given a bigger image so that we can look at the image clearly, but the size of the image is usually small, and we have to work with that only. You will get 1 minute to type. And what's written over here? One or more sentences. Now, please look at the strategies. The strategies are, as you look at the image, when you are looking at the image, you need to look for immediately the keywords. And what are your keywords? Keywords are the immediate things that you see in the image, that you notice in the image. And let me tell you, this cannot happen if you do not practice this way. Practice means you take up an image, You need to practice really, how quick you can observe the things and then frame your sentences. Now when you observe the things, let's say there in front of me, I there's a light, there is a stationery box, there are some books, and photo. So I have photo, books, light, stationery. Now I have these words, and with while using these words, I'll make the sentence. These are called key things. What is in your front? What is in the background? In the images background. What are the prominent things? Prominent things, that's something that is really easily visible. You can easily see what is this. Is it a daytime or nighttime? Is it a rainy weather? What's the location? Beach, house, park, library, school. Do you see traffic on the road? And you may talk about age of the people. You may also talk about how they look. You may talk about their clothes. It's important to talk and include everything. Make your sentences. Do not write a simple sentence. Now what is this? I will be explaining you. Now let's move on to work on the template. I'm going to give you template for the strategies of describe image. Okay. I'm giving you template for the strategies of describe image. Okay. The given image shows dash and dash. So you need to include two informations here. Okay. Then coming to the second sentence. So you can say, moreover, you can either write dash and dash is there or is visible or can be seen. Two more informations you can give. Last sentence, if you think you can write the last sentence, or you can write three sentences, then you can say, so these are my three sentences that I can frame. Okay, just a second. Third, fourth, and fifth. So, okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this template and use the same template, and we'll take some random images from Google and do this. So let's look at the, Okay, so what I've done, I've taken a random image from Google, and then I have copy pasted the template also here so that I can show you how I'm using this template. Now look over here. The given image shows, you can write a scene of messy room. Okay, we can say a scene of messy room, and a boy boy is seen doing his work. Moreover, there are books are kept on the floor and clothes are scattered in the background. A white chair can be seen. So I have actually, if you see, I have included one, two, mm, so this thing I have included, then this I have included, this I have included, this I have included, this I have included. So five informations we have given. And let me tell you, we have not made simple sentences. How? Some students do a mistake. What they will do, they will write the given image shows a scene of messy room. Full stop. Boy is doing his work. Full stop. Do not do like this. You need to connect your two informations. And if you do this, this is a simple sentence, and getting a good score in simple sentence is not possible. So ensure that you connect these sentences. How? And a boy. So that's how you need to connect your sentences. Now I'll show you one more example. Let me look at the image from Google. Okay, now look at this image. You cannot see any person in this image, but still we can describe it. Now, here you cannot say a scene of, try to say a beautiful room, and it is of blue color because it looks like blue color and it's a beautiful room. So, mm, moreover, a double bed is kept in the center and it has white color bedding. Bedding means the bed sheet and everything that looks white. So bed I have covered in the background. In the background, an aquarium, you can say an aquarium can be seen. Three sentences done. So it's really not difficult. What is important that we need to be fast in thinking. And do not doubt yourself. Some students, why they do not do good? Because they always have a doubt in their mind. Is it correct? Is it wrong? Am I doing fine? Am I doing wrong? So you're not going to have any kind of doubts in your mind. That's important. One more image I'll do. And these images I'm taking randomly from Google. Mm. Now let's look at this one. So for here, if we have to write the given image shows, you can write a scene of park and some people can be seen walking there. Moreover, there is a water pond and few flowers can also be seen. In the background, please see I'm putting commas after writing in the background. In the background, lot of greenery is there. That's it. So these are your three sentences. So this is what we have done so far. This is your template. Please take a screenshot. This is your template and these are few examples that are given to you. Please take the template so that we can move on. Oh, sorry, please take the screenshot. Okay, so let's move on. Anyone has any questions with this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Tia.
And there is a picture of a calendar in the study material. Can you please take the example of that and describe it?
Sure, sure. Just a second. It's already explained in the okay calendar. Just a second. Okay, now she is talking about. I'm going to share the screen. So she's talking about this image now, which is in the study material. Now, if I have to explain this image, it's not difficult. What we have to do is the given image shows a 2020 calendar and it is of blue. Okay, and it shows all 12 months. Okay, then moreover, the colors are blue, dark blue, and white. There is no background, I understand, so we have to use intelligently. Then write second information. 4 months are shown in each row. Can you see 4 months in each row? So that also you can write. And some instructions are written in the bottom. So we cannot read those instructions. So, but I said some instructions are written in the border in the bottom side. So this is how we can use the template.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in practice exam, it will be audio type will be not coming, ma'am. One
No.
time also not came,
Yeah, it will
and
not come. They are
and
not telling you to practice from there. They are just telling you Duolingo is giving you practice test.
and the question will be coming all repeated once, ma'am.
Yeah,
All
it is there because you are not going to practice from there. The practice test on Duolingo's website is only for you to understand what is the pattern of the test, how does the test goes. That's it. You cannot practice from there.
in audio type will be real exam will be come, no, ma'am.
It
Shall
comes,
we
yes.
start? Shall we start same templates, ma'am?
No, I
The
will
given image
explain
shows.
you. I will explain you audio also right now.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Two question will be not coming, ma'am, in practical.
Yes. Okay. Now let's look at One more image I will show you from here only. Mm, I think now we should be able to explain. The given image shows a doctor and a child. Okay, first sentence done. Moreover, doctor is examining the child and child is in a cheerful mood. In the background, some medical instruments can be seen. Three sentences done. The given image shows two horses and two people are riding the horse. My first sentence done. Moreover, they are riding horse on the water. Apart from this or in the background, lot of greenery can be seen. The given image shows a scene of curfew and few army men can be seen. Moreover, army truck is there and all the shops are closed. In the background, few trees can be seen. See, I'm using the same thing. Three sentences. The given image shows a beautiful scene, you can say. A beautiful scene of a open park, you can say. Okay. And so the given image shows a beautiful scene of an open park and few people can be seen. So two information in the first sentence. Then, moreover, it is a bright sunny day. In the background, few mountains can be seen covered with greenery. So there is no harm in explaining whatever you see in the image. Now coming to the audio part. Again, before I move to audio, please understand that you're going to write three sentences. That's what I have taught. You can write two also if your typing speed is not so good, but no simple sentence. I have told you I will be sending you the template also. The one that we have just discussed, that template I will send you. And please ensure that you follow that template clearly. Now I'll move on to the next describe image question, which comes in the audio part. So let me just show you that one. Okay, so this is the image or the screen view for the question, which is describe image question, but the question says speak for at least 30 seconds. So in this question, you're going to speak and you're not going to write. It is not tricky if you practice the writing also nicely or practice hard, I would say. That's not tricky. So you need to look, okay, how do I speak for this? So when you're going to speak, again, I would tell you the same thing. Just okay. So when we are doing the speaking part, the strategy remains the same, that I have to immediately look for the keywords, and these keywords are the immediate things that I notice in the image, because now you have words and you just have to put them into sentences. But in describe image, you have to actually look for more things in the audio part. Why you have to look for more things? Because when we speak, the things, your content will finish fast because you're speaking and you're not writing. Okay, the time you have to cover and ensure, if the time limit that is given is 30 seconds, in your home you practice at least for 40 seconds. And that's the best thing that you should be doing. You need to practice for at least 40 seconds. I'll just show you few images and let's look at those images and speak for them. I'll stop randomly somewhere. Okay, let's look at this image. And now I have to record for this image. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a timer of 40 seconds on my mobile. And ideally, you should also do like this. Have an image ready. Don't look at the image before, and then put a timer of 40 seconds and then start speaking. That's the self practice that you should do. So I'm putting a timer of 40 seconds and please see how I'm speaking. Okay, I'm starting it. The given image shows a beautiful scene of a water park, and many people can be seen swimming in the water park. Moreover, I can also see that there is a slide inside the water park. The color combination of the slide is green, red, and yellow color. In the background, I can see a lot of greenery as there are many trees in the background. Moreover, it looks like a sunny day. No, it actually looks like a cloudy day, and people are enjoying over there. The background. Okay. 40 seconds are over, but I can still say a sentence that in the background there is also fencing or the boundary of the pool, which is of yellow and red color. Your speaking should sound natural. It should not look like, okay, you have learned a template and you're reading from there. It should be more natural. If you're wrong, just correct it. Now for this image, again, I'm putting a timer of 40 seconds. The given image shows a scene of a highway road, and there are a lot of cars on the road. Moreover, one side of the road has a traffic jam, whereas other side of the road has a free flowing traffic. In the background, I can see many trees and there is one board also, but I cannot see what's written over there. Apart from this, there is one big truck which is on the other side of the road, and rest all are cars, which is of different sizes. It is the colors are there of different cars like yellow, red, blue, and white too. And 40 seconds are over. So it's good to practice for 40 seconds, because let's imagine we get a very difficult image. So in that case, if you're not able to speak for 40 seconds, at least you should be able to speak for 30 plus seconds. And that's what the requirement is. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just play